Hi guys, Nicole Kernohan here. I've just had an epiphany today. I really wanted to share about stress. And I've been there. I've been through a lot of different things in my business, in my health, up at night, sweating, worrying. I've definitely been in lots of places in my life where I've had stress and I've felt that physiologically on the body. So in this video, I really want to share with you guys kind of just the three simple things that you can implement immediately starting today that have really made a big impact in how I handle stress and how I feel about it. And I don't even use the word stress anymore. Starting today, we'll just remove that word from the vocabulary. Okay, so the first tip that I want to share today is about gratitude. If you take just one thing away today and one thing from this video, it is gratitude. Okay, what I would like to recommend and what I do every single night, usually night, sometimes morning, but at least once a day, is write 10 things you're grateful for. And it can be some big things, it could be some little things, it could be a combination, but 10 things you're grateful for every single day. And they should be different things. You may have some of the same things, or you may have a person that comes up multiple times, but maybe something different about that person. It might be something as simple as it's a sunny day today, or I'm so grateful that I have technology and I can share this video with you right now. So really, when I started to do that consistently every day, I've been doing it now for like a year and a half, really consistently spending every single day thinking about and specifically writing 10 things you're grateful for, you will immediately feel better. You immediately shift. You can't feel stressed and negative and worried when you're in a grateful mind. You can toggle between the two, so you want to do that repeatedly every day so that you can really start to feel that consistently. And ideally, you'd go throughout your day, and even while you're driving, think about something you're